is Alejandro, Head of Communications at Paladin Protocol, and welcome to the Warden V-Boost Setting Up as a Seller video tutorial. As a VCRV holder, you can earn CRV passively by selling your curve boosting power through the Warden market. Liquidity providers can buy that boosting power to earn more CRV. Sellers only need to register to the market once, and then offers can be managed automatically by Warden. This video is going to show you how to do that so you can maximize your yield as a token holder. Step 1. Approve and register. After connecting your Ethereum wallet to the dApp, as we have done here, you'll first see a dashboard page with an overview of your curve assets, curve deposits, only those that are compatible with Warden, and gauge vote weights. Click register beside your VCRV balance to start the process. After you approve the use of your VCRV, as we have done so already, then register your VCRV on the Warden market. You'll be able to configure your seller settings. Tooltip, note, Warden pricing. Deals on Warden are automated so sellers don't have to manage offers. After registering, set your pricing and collect passive CRV profits. These settings can be changed at any time. So let's register. Fantastic, we're registered and ready to go. At any time, you can undo the process by hovering over the two checked statuses. This might be useful if you want to temporarily unregister your VCRV from the market while keeping approval. Step 2. Configure your pricing. In V2, when you first register, you'll be opted into the advised price set by the DAO. This price is optimized for a healthy dynamic in the boost market and will be adjusted accordingly. All changes will be applied automatically for sellers who are opted in. If you prefer to set your own price, just uncheck the box and set your price. For the sake of this demo, we're going to use the advised price. Step 3. Controlling how your balance is used. The rest of your settings control how buyers access your boost balance. A new V2 feature is the registration limit, which tells Warden to remove your balance from the market at any defined time. You can also set the max duration of a buyer's boost under Boost Maximum Duration. So if you want to access your own boosting power in the future, you can combine these settings to make sure that at a given date, there's no more active boosts on your balance from buyers. Otherwise, you can ignore the registration limit and set the maximum duration to whatever you're comfortable with. You can also utilize the balance limit if you want to permanently reserve a portion of your balance while using Warden at the same time. Minimum buy is the smallest amount of boost a buyer would have to purchase from you in an offer. You can always change these settings, but it's best to configure them how you like so you can sell boost totally hands off. Step 4. How to monitor your selling activity. After you've updated your pricing and offer settings, you don't need to do anything else as a seller. Warden will automatically source your balance for buyers. You can check on your balance in the dashboard under your VCRV balance. It'll show you if buyers have active boosts on your balance and the terms of their purchase. Step 5. Rewards. It's worth mentioning that all your CRV revenues from the boost market accrue and accumulate in the claims section. You can withdraw your earnings at any time. That's it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, Warden V-Boost, setting up as a buyer.